So guys, I've been working behind the screen to build an automated trade journaling platform, and we've created an EA that gets the trade history from MT4. We've created that, and I just want to show a little demo of what it does. So it pulls out the trade history in real time and updates a Notion database. So I want to do a little demo right here on the big screen. Here you can see a trade history database. This is Notion. This is on Notion, and we've created a line of code to automatically pull up, update the Notion template with the trade history. So I'm just going to run a demo here. This is just behind the scene, and then you see the magic happen. So it pulls out the records automatically, the trade order, the open time, the type, the symbol, and then it populates it automatically. And this record, so this is just pulling a set of trade history, but when this is operational and running, it would also be updating it in real time. So this will just help take out the stress of journaling your trades, and it just does it automatically for you. So we've been doing a lot of testing, we've been doing a lot of analysis, and this is just a little sneak preview of what is happening. As you can see, this Notion database is pulling out automatically from the MT4 trade history and is updated in Notion database. We would also incorporate analytics and so many other features that are in the comments. So I just thought to give you guys a heads up of what it is that we're working on at Chuck's Capital.